Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Let me fix my camera. Alright, so today I want to do a quick makeup tutorial for y'all. I want to do something neutral. Let me put my camera down. I want to do something neutral and natural. Just like a little neutral, natural beat or whatever. Don't mind that, that's my wig. But I want to do it really quick because I want it to be easy for y'all or whatever. So I'm not going to do my eyebrows today just because like I don't want to do them. Like I'm not going nowhere. So this is definitely going to be something super quick. So I can't find my eyeshadow. I mean my makeup primer. So I'm just going to literally use some Vaseline. Because Vaseline does work good for priming those lids, girl. I'm not doing my eyebrows, so what I'm just gonna do is place my concealer on my lids. Just like that. I'm gonna take my brush and just work it in. And just like that. Because you want to create like a even base for you. Alright, so now from the same palette, I love this shade. I'm gonna take this shade right here. This is my favorite shade. Like I love this shade. It's so pretty to me and it's so neutral, so it can go anything. So what I'm gonna do, dab it, and then I'm gonna push it in circular motions, just like this. And if you watch my other makeup videos, you know I use this color as the base color a lot. So, and so what I'm doing is I'm going from the outside all the way to the inside like that, trying to leave that as light as possible. And you guys will see why a little later. And I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos and I've learned that holding the brush like this is different from holding the brush like this. Like when you doing it like this, you applying more pressure, and when it's like this, it's like more light. So as you can see, I am like in the middle because I don't want it too heavy, but I do want it to show up really nice. So and I'm going in circular motions, girl. Circular motions. Now I'm gonna take this palette, which is one of my favorite palettes as well. It was like $1.99, I think, at the beauty supply store. If it wasn't $1.99, it definitely wasn't like over $2. So it's between $1.99 to $2.99. So I'm gonna go in with this dark shade, this darker brown right here. And I'm gonna push this more so, I want it more so just like right up in there. So just up in there. So when I'm doing my circular motions, I'm not doing big circles like I was. I'm doing it more smaller just so I can better control where everything goes, you know? Alright, so now in the middle, what I'm going to do is take the concealer brush that I just used. I'm going to get like a little bit of concealer on it. Like, you can't even see that, and that still might be too much. But I'm just going to dab it in the middle of my eye right here. Okay, y'all, so I forgot I had another Juvia's palette, and look how pigmented these colors are. So I just thought of something. So I have this color right here, right? And it's a shimmery color as well. So what I'm gonna do is go back in with this color that I first started with, and just gonna go over the top like this. Just like that. Gentlemen, so now I'm about to finish the rest of my face. This is like a no eyelash look, so I'm not doing no eyelashes, but I'm gonna speed up the rest of the video so y'all can see. So anyways, y'all, this is all for this look. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all like it. I try to do something simple so you don't have to you know, do nothing too dramatic if you're not good at makeup or if you're just learning. That's why I try to do something simple and cute. So let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more makeup looks and just what I'm doing in my everyday life. Follow me on Instagram at Slay by Tamia. I have a store. I'm gonna link my store below so that y'all can see it or whatever. And I'm actually having a sale. I'm having a sale on items in my store. Go over, check them out, and let me know what y'all think of this look. And peace. I'll talk to y'all later.